Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do another product review for feelookart, who is a premium diamond painting company who has reached out to me and asked me to do another review. I think this is probably my third or fourth review for them, and I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed with their products. My very first diamond painting, well, no, it wasn't my first one. My second diamond painting I ever did was a feelookart diamond painting. The first one was the itty bitty teeny tiny one that I got at Temu, but the first real diamond painting was one of theirs, and they are high quality, beautiful canvases. Their diamond drills are just perfect. Now you're going to have a little bit of waste because every company has a little bit of waste, but honestly, if you decide to get a product from feelookart, you are definitely going to be pleased with it. So before I get into this, I did want to mention that they do have an affiliate program, and if you decide you want to join their affiliate program, you will receive a 10% coupon code that you can give to your viewers and your customers. And you also earn 15% on all sales. Now, I am not an affiliate. I simply do this. They ship me the product. I do a video or two for them, and I get the product for free. And that works for them as well as me. And I've always been pleased with their products. So I just want to talk about the box a little bit and some of the things that I know about their company. Number one, they come in these really pretty, very thick and secure boxes. And this box is inside of another box for shipping. It pretty much guarantees your product is coming to you in perfect condition, which is always appreciated. Let me see here. On the box, they do show their social media and their web address there. You can also scan this to go right to their website. They always have, and I hesitate to show you the picture of this diamond painting already, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. So here is the diamond painting. This is called Dreamy in Color. The fabric canvas itself is 26.8 inches by 34.6 inches, and this is undoubtedly the largest diamond painting that I have ever attempted, okay? I have opened up the box and looked at it, and it is absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to show it to you. Also, the design size is 23.6 inches by 31.5 inches, and these are round diamond drills as opposed to the little square ones. The boxes always come with step-by-step instructions, and there are instructions inside the box as well, and they give you a picture of all of the contents of the kit, which I'm going to share with you. They do have a quality assurance label on here. If you are missing any diamonds, they guarantee they will replace them. And they guarantee high quality flannel canvases, and I can attest that the canvases are excellent compared to when I get them at Temu or some other smaller companies. So that's pretty much it for the box. So let me get in here. By the way, I am not an affiliate, if I didn't say that already. I'm doing this purely for the free product and giving them a review, and I've always been happy with those products. I did want to mention they're going to have 4 diamond paintings coming out that are new. This one here, which is called Dreamy in Color. The next one is called Flair for the Dramatic. Then there is Flower Skull Memento Mori and Candlelight and Roses. And I'm going to try to insert pictures in this video to show you what those diamond paintings look like. So let's take a look at this diamond painting. They always come packaged in a plastic bag. So another reason why your product is going to come to you in great condition. And here is this absolutely stunning image. Let me turn this around. And like I said, it is huge. So take a look at this. Look at all the bright colors. Wait, let me adjust my camera a little bit. So that's as small as I can get it, so I can show you what's here. So look at all the colors. We've got stars. We've got these like bubbles in the sky. Her hair and everything is just so beautiful and colorful. Look at her face. Look at the detail, the lips, the nose, the eyes. Everything is just so perfect. I'm not really sure what these are, but they have to do with her hair there. But look at how pretty that is. And more going all the way down. I did want to mention that as all of their diamond paintings, they have the legend going down on one side and at the top on the other side. You do have the serial number for the actual drills, and you have the symbols right here. So those symbols are going to match up with what's in the diamond painting. They also have the standard DMC color numbers on here. So if you need to pick up extras or you have some already in your stash you want to combine together, you have the numbers. Their canvases do say that they are eco-responsible canvases. They're made to last and made with care. Their printing is no bleed, no waste, no compromise, and I'm telling you, these are excellent canvases, and it has like a flannel type finish, okay? Once again, they have their social media and web information on the canvas itself, and over here, once again, they have the design size, which I've already read to you. So that is the absolutely stunning canvas. Let me just roll that up. And we're going to take a peek at what comes in the box besides the canvas. So we do have the diamond painting toolkit here. And they're pretty much the same. At least the ones I've gotten so far are the same. And let me put my camera back where it was. Okay. So, actually, I think there's something else in this box. Hang on one second. Oh yeah, I missed a couple of things. So before we talk about the toolkit, you will also get this little booklet here. And this booklet, once again, shows you step-by-step instructions. And this is printed a little bit better than what's on the box. And then it gives you a picture of everything that comes with your kit. And the great thing is it also gives you a tips and tricks section so that you are successful in your diamond painting venture. On the back here, you can record your start and your completion date. So if you want to remember that, you have a place to record that. And some other information on their social media. And again, you can scan that to go to their website. Okay. Also in the box, you receive this piece of paper. Now, I haven't gotten these before. This is the first time. Gives all the detail information we've already talked about. And then here are some individual stickers that you can use to put on your little containers that you put your drills in if that's how you choose to store them. And it's going to match up to the legend that's on the canvas itself. Plus they give you extras in case you need to write some your own self. So that came in there. And then we get the absolutely beautiful Starlight collector's card. And it's always in this holographic, and it's got a picture of the image from the diamond painting. The artist is Tabz, T-A-B-Z, Jones. And there also is a place you can scratch off here that'll give you a discount on a future purchase. So that's cool to have the collector's card. Then in the kit, you will get another sheet of numbers that you can put on your little containers to match up with the diamond drills. You get 2 packages of baggies, so you can put the numbers on the baggies or you can use your own containers. And let me grab one of my containers to show you what I do. I have boxes like this, and sometimes I have smaller boxes, and usually I use a smaller box, but this is a larger one. And you see how I've put the numbers on here? Sorry for the glare. These are all kind of mixed up right now, but so I've got my drills in there, and then I actually cut off the number and stick it inside so I know exactly what everything is. So this is one of my boxes I store some drills in. Definitely not all that I have. In this kit, you actually get 2 trays. You get a pair of tweezers for picking up drills if you need those. You get the wax that you need to fill your pen. And if you don't want to use this pen, you can use other types of diamond painting pens. But this one's kind of cool because you open up the top here. Okay, you pull this piece out and you will drop this inside and then put this back in and screw it back in place. And then your wax will come out here at the end. And actually, this already has some wax. If you can see there, it looks red in the tip because it already has red wax in it. And when the wax starts to wear down, you just twist this and it brings more wax out. So there's your diamond painting pen. And that's what comes in the kit. Now you get your diamond drills. And oh my word, this one, I think it had 38. Let me check. Yes, 38 different colors. And this is undoubtedly the largest pack of drills I've ever gotten. So we're going to quickly take a look at these. I don't want to spend too much time on the drills. Yeah, this is called a train when they're all together like this. And we will just quickly take a peek. And sometimes you get more than one pack of a color because you're going to need extras of that. So look at these gorgeous colors. Navy blue. So pretty. And the numbers that match are on the back sides here. Okay. So this says A17803. So the 17 is going to be the number that matches up on the canvas, and the 803 is your DMC number. So look at all these gorgeous colors. Yeah, so I'm going to be going on vacation in a couple weeks to Maine. We're going to go to Acadia National Park and do some things out in that area. And I think in the evenings when I have some downtime, if I didn't mention this already, I am going to be working on this. Look at these. And my favorite ones in all the kits I've ever had are the blacks. They are so sparkly and so beautiful. And I never thought black would be my favorite color out of the drills, but it usually is. And we have, oh my gosh, there are a number of trains here. Look at these gorgeous blues and teals. So, so pretty. Bright yellow. Beautiful purple there. And the last bit we have is this one here. And these are really, really sparkly. I don't know if you can see it on film, on the camera there, but yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous drills. So anyway, that's what I have to share with you today. The latest canvas sent to me by feelookart, and yeah, I think it is not a normal style that I would go for. I'm more of a floral nature kind of person, or something vintage like. But of the 4 designs that they offered me, I like this one the best. So if you're interested in purchasing, try to use those discount codes if you spend that much money. I don't know how much this particular painting cost. And if you decide you want to be an affiliate, be sure to sign up for that. You will save 10% off your own orders, and you'll be able to give that discount code to other people if they shop, and you'll earn 15% on whatever other people purchase. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. My next video on this is probably going to be a progress video. This diamond painting is going to take me quite a while because it is huge. Okay. Largest one, like I said, I've ever attempted, and I don't think I'm going to have it done in record time. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.